The day the power of love overrules the love of power, the world will know peace. Peace is the only way for the survival of humanity. Peace can only last where human rights are respected, where the people are fed and where individuals and nations are free. If we are to have peace on earth, our loyalties must transcend our race, our tribe, our class, and our nation. And this means we must develop a world perspective. Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding. May kindness and love prevail in the heart and mind of humanity.